English Senior, unknown speed. Respected speaker, I would like to clarify on some subjects. Sorry, Darurji, some people have talked here about saving the constitution from time to time. I also believe in it that the Congress should talk 100 times a day to save the constitution. It should be a mantra for the Congress to save constitution and save constitution 100 times. Had you understood what all happened with the constitution, had you understood the importance of constitution, then all of it would not have happened with the constitution. Therefore, you may realize your mistakes whenever you talk about the constitution. It will also help you realize the power of the constitution. Respected speaker, this is the apt time. Why did you not consider about saving the constitution during emergency? These are the very people who have been talking about the constitution, those who have snatched the rights of judiciary and judicial review will have to talk about the constitution. Those people who had talked about snatching the rights to live, they will not only have to repeat constitution but read it as well. These people have no right to talk about the constitution who have brought the maximum proposals to change the constitution. State governments were toppled dozen times. Governments elected by people were dismissed. The cabinet passed a resolution. The democratic and constitutional cabinet had passed a resolution. It is very necessary for those people to learn how to save constitution who torn the resolution passed by such cabinet during a press conference. Therefore, it is necessary that those people should chant the mantra of save the constitution. It is very necessary for those to understand the importance of constitution who run the government through remote control by setting up National Advisory Council over and above the Prime Minister and Prime Minister's office. Respected speaker, what is happening in Delhi and across the country in the name of saving the constitution? The country is watching everything and understanding. The silence of the country will be known one day. The Supreme Court is an important part of the constitution. Supreme Court has been repeatedly saying that no protests should cause inconvenience to people, no movement should turn violent. Those very people who talk about saving the constitution, these communist people, these congressmen are indicating the people for their vote bank politics. People know everything. Respected speaker, it is regrettable the king of language and the statements used by some of the leaders of the house. There are several people who are sitting here and have suffered in West Bengal. Tata, you will be pained if they narrate in detail what is happening there. They know very well how innocent people are being killed. Respected speaker, I would like to ask them what was the status of the constitution during the period of the Congress. What was the condition of the rights of the people? If constitution is so important, which all of us agree. If you agreed, then you had prevented you from implementing the Indian constitution on Jammu and Kashmir. Who did the sin of preventing the rights given by the constitution to my brothers and sisters of Jammu and Kashmir? And Sasi, you have been the son-in-law and Jammu and Kashmir. You talk of constitution. You should have thought about the daughters of Kashmir. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, one respected member has said that Jammu and Kashmir has lost its definite identity. Someone said that for some Kashmir was just a piece of land. Respected Speaker, those who see Kashmir as just only a piece of land, they know nothing about the country, and it depicts their intellectual poverty. Kashmir is the crown jewel of India.